Hello and welcome to this video training on artificial intelligence, proudly brought to you by IDEA AI. Today we're going to explore one of the most fascinating and fast-changing areas in technology, AI. Now you might be thinking, isn't AI just robots and science fiction? Not quite. AI is already part of our daily lives, and it's doing far more than you might expect. Whether you're studying computer science, healthcare, business, or even the arts, AI is becoming a powerful tool across all fields. In this chapter, we'll go through 4 main sections. What is AI in simple terms? A brief history. From the early days to today's breakthroughs, the 3 types of AI, including what's real and what's still theoretical, real-life examples, how AI shows up in your daily routines. By the end of this video, you'll have a strong foundation to begin your journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Let's get started. Let's begin with a basic but important question. What exactly is artificial intelligence? AI refers to the ability of machines, usually software or devices, to carry out tasks that normally require human intelligence. These are things like understanding and responding to language, recognizing images, voices, or sounds, analyzing data to make decisions, solving problems quickly and accurately. You can think of AI like a digital brain, but one that's designed for very specific tasks. For example, when your phone unlocks using Face ID, it uses image recognition. When it suggests words while you're typing, it's using language prediction models. It's important to understand that AI doesn't think or feel like a human. Instead, it mimics the outcomes of human intelligence, and in some cases even outperforms us, especially in speed and accuracy. AI isn't limited to computers or smartphones either. It's in cars, customer service chatbots, smart fridges, and even in hospitals helping doctors diagnose diseases. To understand where AI is today, we need to take a quick look at where it started. AI began as an idea. Can machines think? That was the question posed by Alan Turing in the 1950s. He also introduced the famous Turing test to see whether a machine could imitate human conversation so well that people couldn't tell the difference. In the 1980s to early 2000s, researchers built rule-based systems, programs that followed if this, then that rules. These systems could perform basic logic, but were limited in learning or adapting. The real change came in the 2010s, with the rise of big data and deep learning. Think of deep learning as AI with layers of artificial neurons, much like how the human brain works, allowing it to learn from vast amounts of data. And now, in the 2020s, we've entered the age of generative AI. AI that doesn't just analyze data, but creates something new. Tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Google Gemini can generate essays, write code, draw realistic art, and even hold human-like conversations. From basic logic machines to creative digital tools, the journey of AI has been rapid and remarkable. Let's now explore the 3 main types of AI based on their level of intelligence. First is narrow AI. This is the kind of AI we use today. It's designed for a single task. Siri can answer voice commands. Netflix suggests what to watch. Google Maps helps with navigation. Each system is very good at its job, but it can't do anything outside of it. Next is general AI. This is still a theoretical idea. A machine that can think, learn, and reason like a human. It could adapt to new situations, apply knowledge across domains, and solve unfamiliar problems. We're not there yet, but some researchers believe we might reach it in the coming decades. Finally, there's superintelligent AI. This is more advanced than any human, like smarter, faster, and more creative. It's the kind of AI you see in science fiction, like Jarvis from Iron Man or the HAL 9000 from 2001, A Space Odyssey. Many experts are cautious about this idea because it raises serious ethical and safety concerns. For now, we live in the era of narrow AI, and it's already changing the world around us. You may be wondering, do I really use AI every day? The answer is Absolutely yes. You probably use AI dozens of times a day without even thinking about it. Let me show you some examples. Google Maps uses AI to suggest the fastest route based on real-time traffic. Siri and Alexa understand your voice and respond with useful information. Email spam filters, detect suspicious content, and keep your inbox clean. When you shop online, AI looks at your past purchases and recommends new products. Social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok use AI to decide which posts appear in your feed. Even translation apps like Google Translate rely on AI to convert languages in real time. And they keep improving as more people use them. These tools might seem simple, but they're powered by complex AI models. Whether you're listening to a playlist, reading news, or finding directions, AI is always working quietly in the background to improve your experience. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned in this short introduction to AI. We began by answering a basic question, what is AI? And saw that it's about machines performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. Then we took a brief historical journey, from the Turing test in the 1950s to today's powerful generative tools. Next, we explored the three types of AI, narrow AI, today's practical tools, general AI, the future of human-level learning, superintelligent AI. Still hypothetical, but heavily debated. And finally, we saw how AI is already in your daily life, helping, suggesting, predicting, and learning from your behavior. AI is no longer just a buzzword or a futuristic idea. It's here, it's now, and it's evolving quickly. Whether you're planning a career in AI or simply want to understand how it affects you, this knowledge is essential. Thanks for joining me today. Stay curious, and I look forward to seeing you in the next training session, where we'll dig deeper into how AI works behind the scenes. 我想我跳